In this video, we will see how to draw the ellipse by using rhombus method. Now the question is, draw the rhombus of 100 millimeter and 70 millimeter long diagonals and inscribe an ellipse in it. So the dimension of rhombus has been given to us 100 by 70. So first we will draw the rhombus and then we will try to inscribe the ellipse in it. These are the steps which is to be followed to draw the ellipse by using rhombus method. Now first we will a 100 mm horizontal line and a 70 mm vertical line which will bisect each other at the midpoint, and we will join all the corners to draw the rhombus. Then after, what we will do, we will mark the midpoint of this line, midpoint of this point, midpoint of all the four sides of the rhombus. Now what we will do, we will do the naming. We will provide some naming A, B, C, D to all the points which has been marked on the sides of the rhombus. Now what we will do, we will join this point to A, this point to B, and this end point to D and C. So this point has been joined with A and B, this point has been joined with C and D. Now after that, what we will do, we will take this point as a center and this point as a center and this point as a center. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have located the four centers. Now one as a center, we will take radius 1 to A and we will draw this arc A to B. Then 2 as a center and 2 to C as a radius. We will draw this arc C to D. Then 3 as a center and 3 to A or 3 to D as a radius. We will draw this arc A to D. And 4 as a center, 4 to B radius or 4 to C radius in the rounder. We will draw this arc B to C. So this is how we have drawn the ellipse by using the rhombus method. So in this method, the actual thing is what? We do not require the French curve. We directly locate the centers 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2 is already available with us. For locating 3 and 4, what we do, we join 2 points with C and D and 1 point with A and B, midpoint A and B. So how we locate the center number, point number 3 and point number 4, and directly by taking a radius, we draw the 4 arcs which completes the ellipse. Now in this method, if you have any doubt or any query related to anything, then you can put your doubt in the comment box. I will try to resolve your doubt.